Hey crew, today's video will be shrimp fried rice, my way. So here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have large shrimp, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, ground ginger, soy sauce, sesame seed oil. We have an onion, we have our rice, and we have our large shrimp. If you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Like and comment on this video and videos that you also will watch. Let's get into this video. 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna put our shrimp in. We're gonna go in with a little salt. We're gonna let these start cooking before we stir them. And y'all don't want to cook these all the way. You want to cook them like 2 minutes per side, or just 4 minutes in total, and take them out. Alright crew, so we're just gonna pull our shrimp. We'll go with onions. One cup and a half of peas and carrots, and this was 1/4 of a half of onion that I thinly chopped. So we're gonna cook these for a few minutes until, you know, the onions are translucent. So this process is gonna take 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so they ready. We just gonna push them to the side like that. You like the beaten eggs?
While the music is still playing.
Our cold rice.
Let's dance while the floor is still swaying. This moment will never come again. So let's dance while the music's playing. Let's dance. For the sweet love that we found.
Alright, so in the seasoning, I have a half a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, and ground ginger.
And pass the love around. the sweet love we found. Oh yeah.
Soy sauce. Okay, here go our shrimp fried rice. Alright, have our shrimp fried rice here. I want y'all rice darker, just add more soy sauce. I only added a half a cup of soy sauce to mine.
That's the way we both
Just spot on, y'all. I mean, like I said, some men like it darker, but this is fine with me. Woo. That's so good. If y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Smash that like button, comment on the video. This is my take on shrimp fried rice. If you're new to the channel and seen this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all, that we notify when I upload a video. And y'all already know the saying, pops out, cool it is.